When a man and a woman begin their fitness journey together, 2 months down the line, you may observe that the man has lost more weight and is looking a lot leaner than the woman. At the same time, when the woman weighs herself, it feels like the weighing scale just doesn't want to budge. To all the ladies watching this video, don't you all find this to be very relatable? Isn't it very hard not to resent men seeing how fast they lose weight as compared to us? As if life wasn't fair, losing weight is a bit difficult too. There. I absolutely get what you all feel. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Institute of Nutrition and Fitness Sciences. I am Ketki, your host for today, and I am here to spill the beans on health, fitness and nutrition. As you all might have already guessed, today I'm going to talk about why we women find it so difficult to lose weight. But we ain't just gonna stop there. Watch this video till the end and you will also come to know how women can still make progress despite all the obstacles they face in losing weight. First, let's find out why it is not easy for women to lose weight faster. We women adapt to calorie restriction quicker as compared to men, like everything else. Owing to evolutionary purposes, women have a stronger defense mechanism against starvation, which helps them with reproduction. Simply put, even if we subject ourselves to calorie deficit, our bodies adjust to the lowered calorie intake, resulting in slower weight loss. As compared to this, men's bodies react faster when put on a calorie deficit, like everything else. Now let's move on to the next reason. As compared to men, women have lesser resting metabolic rate, lesser basal metabolic rate, and also lesser 24-hour energy expenditure for the same amount of activity. And all of this is lesser by 5% to 10%, which amounts to quite a significant number. Hard life, very hard life. The third reason for women to find it difficult to lose weight is that we also burn much lesser fat for energy than men. Let us take an example into consideration to understand this. Suppose a chair requires to be moved from one room to another. When a man and a woman performs this task, they burn fat to produce the energy required to do the task. But the amount of fat burned by the woman is much lesser as compared to the fat burned by the man. Moreover, women's bodies tend to store most of the dietary fat as fat. We women carry approximately 10% to 12% more of total body fat and 5% less of total muscle mass as compared to men. Undoubtedly, a man of the same height and weight as that of a woman would comparatively look a lot leaner. These are the prime reasons why women find it difficult to lose weight. But ladies, there's absolutely no reason to feel helpless. We're right away gonna take a look at a few tips that will help you progress better. Our very first advice is to eat right. Many women think that by going on a large calorie deficit, they will lose weight faster. By doing so, they may see results, but trust me, these results will last for only a short period of time. In the long run, they will not be helpful. Follow just the right calorie deficit diet that is sustainable. Our next tip to achieve weight loss is to train consistently. Remember when I had said that the 24-hour energy expenditure in women is much lesser? Well, training regularly helps us in increasing this expenditure. This is the reason why women should also exercise and not just follow diet to achieve their fitness goals. Our last advice to all the ladies out there is to take advantage of diet-induced thermogenesis. Diet-induced thermogenesis is one of the 3 components of daily energy expenditure. So, when you take advantage of diet-induced thermogenesis, you in turn help in increasing your daily expenditure, which contributes towards weight loss. Now, how do you take advantage of this component, you ask? Well, you simply have to increase your protein intake, as protein has the highest thermic effect of food or TEF. So ladies, do not shy away from protein thinking that it will bulk you up. It will not. Instead, protein will help you lose weight faster. With that, we come to the end of this video. I hope that all the women out there no longer feel frustrated not knowing why they are not losing weight faster. Follow the tips given in this video and you will progress better. If you have found this video insightful, hit the like and share button, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel to grab more knowledge on fitness, nutrition and health.